Okay, this is a Porsche 924 2-litre naturally aspirated engine. It is from a Martini model, very rare these days. This job has came into us from a nice fella called Ben from Chasing Cars. You should check him out. He's got some really nice retro and some 1980-ish type cars that everybody's looking for. Does a really nice restoration on them, and he's decided they wanted to keep this as a number matching car, so he's had us repair the engine for him, and we're just having a look at the crosshatch on the bars and how we've reworked it. This has had new big end bearings, it's had new main end bearings. We've had to replace the crank because it had been ground previously by somebody, and it had been ground, one of the pins was on a taper and it had ran the engine to one side, so to speak. So we've rectified all that with another crank. We've reworked the oil pump, new big end bearings, new main end bearings, and then we've done all the bars. We've fitted some liners. A bit windy outside tonight, isn't it? We've fitted some liners, and we're just making it all nice. The head's been fully reworked, and that's going on next with this new head gasket and bolts. It's all going to be torqued down, and we'll move to that part of the build and show you that. So we'll speak to you soon. This is the cylinder head from the Porsche 924, the Martini model. This is the one that we're rebuilding. This is a feature. We just thought we'd show you, have a look over it. We removed all the valves, reground them and polished them, and cut the valve seats, and then we found some new valve guides, some new old stock, so we bought all of those because the age of this engine, parts just aren't made for it anymore. It's been pressure tested, it's been refaced with the correct key on the face so it accepts the composite gasket. If anybody's ever worked on one of these, they'll know what a devil it is to set the tappets. They're all set now, the cam's back in. It's going to go back onto the block, and that'll be the next stage, so we'll speak to you soon. Okay, and here it is, the 924 Porsche Martini 2-litre naturally aspirated. It's been fully rebuilt by us, and we've polished the aluminium up, so it's really nice looking. The block's been lacquered. That's a period coat of paint, and it's going back into a fully restored car. It's going to be a really nice machine, this, when it's all finished. I really do envy the person who ends up buying this. Yep, it's going to be a beauty. So this is now going to go back round to Ben at Chasing Cars, and these technicians are going to put it back into the Porsche, and I might even try and talk him into letting us have a ride out with him in it. It'd be fantastic. So, speak to you soon.